Hi, hello everyone. This is Mr. M from Algebra Lessons. In this video, I am helping students who are struggling with logarithmic properties and its applications. To save some time, I already posted the rules for your reference. So log A plus log B with the same base can be combined as log A times B with the same base. Log A minus log B, make sure you have the same base. That you can write as or combine as log A by B, A divided by B. And next is actually known as the power rule of logarithm. Log x to the power r. If you have a power, that power will come in front of the log. That is, log x to the power r become r log x. And if you have the base of the exponential piece in the logarithm and the base of the logarithm is same, base of the exponential term in the expression and the base of the logarithm, if those two are same, your answer will be the power. So that is log b to the power x with the base, logarithm of the base is b, then your answer will be x. We can practice these rules using some following homework problems. So the first problem is 7 ln of t minus 6 ln of s plus 5 ln of w. So here, first we are actually trying to combine the log terms. So here, don't get confused. Instead of a log, we have ln. Ln and log have the same meaning, just only the difference is the base. Ln is actually a logarithm with base e. So, but the rule we will use the same as the logarithm. Okay. So here we will use the power rule, the reverse of the power rule, to combine it. So this term can be written as ln of t. This 7 will go back to the power position. So ln of t to the power 7 minus ln of s to the power 6, okay, plus this is ln of w to the power 5. And now we can apply the rule of logarithm. Ln of a minus ln of b is ln of a by b. Sorry, yeah, ln of a by b. So that is ln of t to the power 7 divided by s to the power 6 plus ln of w to the power 5. And now we can apply again the rule of logarithm. This is log a plus log b format. So you can simplify that as log a times b. So that will be ln of t to the power 7 by s to the power 6 times w to the power 5. For the beauty of the answer, just write this as ln of w to the power 5 and t to the power 7, both are in the numerator. So this will be t to the power 7 w to the power 5 divided by s to the power 6. So this is the answer for the first problem. Okay, now we are going to do another problem. Problem number 2. That is 1 by 2 log 1 by 2 log z plus 1 minus 2 log x minus 4 log y minus 3 log z. Okay, these problems are actually the problems that you can use kind of like as a starter problem to practice the application of logarithmic properties. These are actually not the tougher or toughest problems in this section, just the starter problem. Okay, so just use in that way. So we are going to start the problem. We know the rules, so we know the properties. Okay, so first I'm going to combine these two and these two together. So the first piece can be write as use the power rule, use the reverse power rule. That will be log z plus 1 to the power 1 by 2 minus log x square. Okay, let me use a different color for the other piece. See, you have minus sign for this term and this term. You can take that out common. That will be log y to the power 4 plus log z to the power 3. See, it's quite simple. And now this will be log, see, z plus 1 to the power 1 by 2. We can write that as square root of z plus 1 minus log x square minus of this is log a plus log b, so log a times b y to the power 4 times z to the power 3, and this can be write as log a minus log b, that is log a by b. That will be log square root of z plus 1 by x square minus of, I'm continuing here, log y to the power 4 z to the power 3. Yeah, so I was actually trying to save some space. So we are going to simplify the answer. This will be log a minus log b, that is log a by b. We can write as log a is square root of z plus 1 by x square by y to the power 4 z to the power 3. Okay, this is the answer. We can write this answer like log square root of z plus 1. This is a fraction, this is another fraction, so reciprocated. Z plus 1 by x square y to the power 4 z to the power 3. So this is the most simplified form of or combined form of this second question. I hope you guys are actually following me at this point. So here, please try to pause the video and comment me or tell me which log properties you likes more. Okay, so we are moving on to the next problem. So the next problem is 2 log, problem number 3, 2 log x plus y plus 6 log x minus 1 by 3. Here the base of the logarithm is 3. So how can we simplify or combine this logarithmic expression? So compared to the other problem, only one difference we have here is just the constant at the end. You have a constant at the end. So what we need to do is we need to express that constant in terms of logarithm. That is actually only one difference we have here. We can use the same the last rule that we explained at the very beginning of this video, we can use that rule here. Okay, so ready? So like previous, in the previous problem, just write this as log x plus y to the power 2 plus log x to the power 6 minus 1 by 3 can be written as 1 by 3. We are going to write this in terms of logarithm. Just check the base of the logarithm that we already have here. The base is 3. So I'm going to write that log with base 3, 3 to the power 1 by 3. Because we are using the rule log b with the same base to the power x. So if we need to write x, if this is a constant, if we need to write this constant in terms of logarithm, we can use this reverse rule. So we are going to use that here. That is log 3 to the power 1 by 3 with base 3. Okay, so now we have the log forms. So I'm going to combine these first two terms, that is log a plus log b, log a plus log b. So this will become log a times b, that is x plus y the whole square times x to the power 6 minus log 3 to the power 1/3. So this is in the form of log a minus log b. So this is log b, this is log a. So that will be log a by b. That is log of a is x plus y to the power 2 times x to the power 6 divided by b is 3 to the power 1 by 3. So this is the combined form of the given question. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you wish to get more of this kind of videos, or if you wish to get more homework help, please comment below, and don't forget to share and subscribe this channel for getting the future videos. So thank you very much for watching me till this point.